Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we've posted, and we want to inform you where we've been and what you can expect in 2024.
Now let's go chat. You ready? Well, the last time you saw us, we were in the Midwest. I'm so glad we went there. I don't want to leave, but you know the drill. We got to keep going. We have 5 more states to show you in the Midwest. We officially made it to all of the lower 48 states, and we had a live to celebrate that on YouTube. And that was a really important moment for us. And then we kind of disappeared.
It was such a huge achievement for us to reach the lower 48 states. And after that, we were feeling a little burnt out. We didn't really know what to do next. We had a couple different plans, whether we should go to Alaska or Canada, Pacific Northwest. Either way, we were kind of working our way northwest. And last moment, we just blew it all up.
As some of you know, we have finally made it to Baja in 2023. That was such a big and exciting moment for us. We had wanted to go to Baja since we got on the road. And once we made it, it was like we were on cloud 9. It has so many things to offer. We met incredible people. We got to spend time in the sun and the surf, and it was an amazing trip. But at the end of our time in Baja, right before we were about to head north and go back to the United States, we got some bad news.
Yeah, as some of you may know, if you saw our Bella videos, our bulldog needed a knee surgery. That was a huge cost. And then we also needed to run an Airbnb for a month so that she could recover because it was a very invasive surgery. And right before that was happening, we also had a little bit of an incident.
Yeah, I accidentally crashed a side-by-side, y'all. I can't believe this happened. Here we are.
We rolled a very expensive brand new side-by-side.
Yeah, it wasn't my proudest moment. Let's just leave it at that. It was not a great moment at all.
But we are safe. We weren't injured. We had like a little scrape here, a little scrape there, and we were a little shook up emotionally. But overall, we were healthy. We can't dwell on it too much. We just had to move forward.
Yeah, honestly, we're so lucky and we count our blessings. But it was another huge financial cost that we didn't expect. So we had all these costs adding up right before we headed back to the United States. So we made the decision to go back to my home state of Colorado in order to regroup and recuperate. And then we came up with the idea to go to the Midwest. We have always kind of missed the Midwest. We have been all around the United States, but the Midwest has always been this elusive area. So we made the decision we were gonna go up to the Midwest. We were gonna spend the end of the summer there, and it was gonna be this beautiful way to spend the summer before we headed up to Canada. And it was a great time. We enjoyed it. It's a beautiful area that we want to visit more and explore more.
We saw Iowa, we saw the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and then we capped it off with South Dakota, and that was a great
North Dakota.
Yeah, South and North and East and West. The Midwest was such a great experience, but we were left, wondering more about our channel and what direction we wanted to take going forward with everything. And yeah, it was just time. It was time for us to slow it down again, and it happened quicker than we expected. So we went to Georgia and spent time with my family for the holidays and set our sights on what we want 2024 to be, what we want this channel to be, and what we want out of ourselves.
We've actually started on a really high note. After spending time on the East Coast, we booked it to the West Coast, and we've been in California ever since, and it's been incredible. The sun out here and being on the beach has made me feel refreshed, and we actually set some really big goals for ourselves. I ran almost every single day of January. We've been working out together. We've been taking care of our mental health. We've been taking all these steps to get in a better place to come back to this channel, because you all mean so much to us. filming on this channel means so much to us, and we just wanted to find a way to get back to this and do it in a way that was healthy. We wanted to come back in the right headspace, and we feel like we're there now.
This morning I actually set some February goals, and I'm very excited to execute them. We're looking forward to having, a positive year.
And that leads into what's next.
Yes.
What's next for this channel? What's next for us? And how are we moving forward? We are planning on spending more time really actually making it to Canada this year, something we've talked about on this channel for years and we've never quite made it. But right now we're in a slow period, and that's because we found out some other news, and that was that our transmission is out of commission.
It's not fully out of commission. It works, but they say we need a new one, they being the mechanics. I don't have a mechanical bone in my body. We have it covered under warranty, so that's a good thing, but it is on back order for the foreseeable future. So we're slowing down and making some really cool videos out here on the West Coast and enjoying our time. I think we constantly get reminded that we need to slow down, and I try to slow this one down, but she's got a need for speed. I have adventure on the brain, and that's kind of what we've been talking about with our channel. We want to balance and find a better harmony between having big adventures, doing these big, projects and challenges, and then also taking time for ourselves, not rushing through it so that we don't actually get to enjoy it. And so that's what we're seeking. We have a goal to accomplish a bunch of amazing bucket list items this year. Reed and I, even before we got on the road, had a list of bucket list ideas and items we've always wanted to accomplish. And Bella's stretching on me. We've done some really amazing things. We have some things on that list that we've crossed off thus far that have made us so proud, and we want to keep that up with this channel. So our plan is to incorporate more of those big bucket list items into our videos and share with you how you can do it too. We don't only want to just share these places we go and adventures, we want to bring you more into it, and we want to really have you be at the heart of it. That's kind of where we're moving and the direction our channel's going. And the direction we're going, north, south, you can't say for sure, but we're hoping everything's going up from here after we get our transmission. Yeah. We will keep you updated. And thank you so much for everyone who has stuck around, who has waited for a new video to come out and has been with us from the beginning. And for those who are new here, welcome. Yes. We're happy you're here. Yeah. We really want to apologize for going MIA and not saying anything. We could have updated you because, it came at us fast, and I think we wanted to get back in there and make some more videos, but it just didn't necessarily feel right, and we just kind of kept pushing it off, and next thing you know, it's been a few months.
There's so many of you who have been with us since the beginning, have always shared such kind words, been thoughtful with us, and have tuned in to all of our videos. And we're sorry we left you in the lurch without really giving you any idea of where we were, if we were coming back. We honestly didn't know what was next, and so we didn't know what to tell you. But we do feel really good moving forward, and it is a commitment of ours to continue to share with you all and to be in community with you. We will have a video coming out next Saturday, and the Saturday after that, and the Saturday after that. We're coming to you weekly once again.
Yeah, we have 4-ish videos filmed and ready to go, so you can count on us. 9 a.m. Pacific time and noon Eastern.
Buckle up, because this ride is about to get even more exciting. Thanks again for all of you. We appreciate you, and we're going to see you next Saturday.